Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll show you how to automate your irrigation system and integrate a rain sensor to make sure the system only operates when it's dry outside. First, we have the irrigation system set up here in the front yard. We'll open it and click on Automation. Next, click on Add New Automation, then choose New Time Condition. Now, select the time you'd like the irrigation to run. In our case, we'll set it to run from 1:50 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. every day. But we also want to make sure that if it's raining, the system doesn't water the garden. So we'll add another automation. Click on Add New Automation and choose Existing I/O. Find the rain sensor and select it. It's very important to set it to Not Active, meaning the irrigation will only run when the rain sensor is not active. Then, click on Save. Make sure to click AND between the two conditions. This step is very important. We'll finish the process by clicking Done. Now, when the set time comes, the system will automatically start watering, but only if it's not raining. As you can see, the irrigation is now running, and the rain sensor ensures it won't activate if it's raining outside. That's it. You've successfully automated your irrigation system with the rain sensor. Thank you for watching.